Imagine declaring war on bird and losing. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in 1932, Australia waged war against an army of 20,000 emus, and the results were disastrous. After World War I, Australian farmers were struggling. Thousands of emus saw their wheat fields as an all-you-can-eat buffet. Farmers begged the government for help, and their solution: send in the army. Armed with Lewis machine guns, the soldiers were confident until they realized emus are faster than bullets. These birds dodged bullets, outran trucks, and even regrouped like a trained army. After wasting thousands of rounds of ammunition, the government finally gave up. The emus had won. Australia had officially lost to birds. History is full of strange and hilarious moments like this. Want more? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a weird but true story.